guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going back to the roots and I'm giving you some good quality BMW content. You have probably not been seeing my E39 for quite a while, and that is simply because I have not had the space at home to have it at home. So today we're going to bring it home and start it up. Hopefully it will start up after 6 months of it simply just standing still, not been starting up, nothing. So yeah, this is going to be an interesting day. I hope it fires right away, but I mean, hopes and dreams, yeah, that's one thing, but reality is another. And I have brought myself some jumper cables because I think we're going to need that. And so today we are actually going to, like I said, start it up. We're going to take it home and we are going to take off the we're going to take off the wheels, and we're going to take some new winter wheels on the car so it's prepped for winter. And in the following weeks I think I will actually try and fix it up so it's ready for MOT, and then I don't know if I will drive it this winter or if I will just buy myself a new beater, but I mean, my E39 was a really cool winter car last year, so I think that if I get this through MOT, it could be a really good car this year as well. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do, and like the video if you do enjoy these videos. But now, let's get to it. Okay, so here it is, sitting pretty with plates, which I'm paying for every month. I don't even want to think about how much money I've wasted on just sitting here. But anyways, here it is on my throwing stars. And oh yeah, wow, look at that. It's a lowrider. That's low because the E39 wagon or touring has bags in the back actually, so it is probably all aired out. And as soon as I will start this car, it will probably like raise itself or blow itself up again, or yeah. But it has been actually coated to the car, so it is sitting quite low from before, but this is way lower than before. I mean, look at that. So not good that this car is almost like abandoned. I mean, I haven't almost touched this car in forever, so that's not good. This is a good car, I kind of miss it. Okay, that's from ice racing this winter. Let's see if it will even... Oh damn, I can't even open it. So it must be out of power. So the trick is to do like that and then like that. Then the car opens if it is out of power. Looks pretty good, smells the same. It is not any molding or anything right here. That's good. Oh yeah. It's a long time since I've been seeing this car. I kind of missed this steering wheel and gear now. Oh yeah, it's a good car. But now let's see the engine. Here we have the M52 B28 with at least 50 horsepower gain, at least. Now let's connect, I think on BMW, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so there we have power there, or whoa, is that ground or is that plus? No, it can't be. That's the ground. That's plus. It says plus right there. So let's fire up this thing. This will be the thing that's like revives the E39 with some jumper cables and get this going. I can't start it just for fun. If you want to, I can try. I mean after 6 months this will never start, but for fun I can try. Okay, key in. Absolutely dead. Nothing is happening. We are all hooked up. Okay. Okay, so alarm did go off right now, so that means it has power. Now it has been standing with the jumper cable for around 2 minutes. So let's now see if it fires. It has power, that's good. No, it's not ready yet. I'm going to go rev my E91 for a bit and hopefully that will produce some more power. Okay, we gave it a few revs. Damn it! Okay, take number 3. But maybe if I back up my E91, it will get power directly from the battery instead of the engine bay. Maybe that will give it just a bit more power. We got it connected up. Let's try again. Let's see if that works. It doesn't work. Damn it! I think I need to get myself a start booster or something. Okay, jumper cables did not work, so now it's time for the big guns. But now I think this perhaps can work. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah! It worked. Okay, so power directly to the battery. That's key. Now I assume this will start to work and it will raise itself up. Oh yeah. Right. Gently, let's try driving it out of here. Woo. Oh yeah! 6 months since this has last been started. And I still have the original exhaust. I've owned this car for almost a year now. Still have the original exhaust. No good. Oh yeah, look at that. I've missed you, boy. What a good feeling it is to start up this beast. It is much higher right now than it was earlier. Oh yeah, look at it. It is out and back again. I mean, now it's not been washed, it's not been anything, but I like this car. I think it's kind of good. This girl still got it. I mean, it has a lot of power. I mean, that was no issue whatsoever. I mean, that's at least what Greg told me. He said that that was no issue at all. I mean, the car had plenty of power. And like I said earlier also, this car, I will do more with this car soon. Not in the next following like 2 weeks maybe, but after that I think that I will make a lot more videos with this one. Because I want it to be fixed up so it will get through the MOT. Damn, I mean, so good. Okay, day number 2. This did not fire today after I got it home, so I had to hook it up with some jumper cables again. And now we're going to get it in my driveway, which we have right here, and get some lighting up, and we will swap out the wheels, and I will have to charge up that battery because that's flat. Maybe it's broken, I don't know. Maybe we'll have to get a new battery for the car as well. Here we have cables going from the battery to the battery in my E91. Yeah, tried to hook up the charger. This battery seems pretty flat. It doesn't seem like it wants to charge. I mean, 8.7 volts, 8.6. Here we have the winter wheels, my 16-inch Rondell wheels. So now let's get these off and the spacers off and these ones on the car. Of course it started to rain, that's typical. Ah, what a great night. Now I can really feel that the autumn is here with rain, darkness. Ah, God. So yeah, things are good. Oh. There we go. Now it is swapped front and back, both sides. Look how low it is on the back right here. Yeah. Okay, day number 2 with, no, sorry, day number 3 with the E39. So now we are going to swap out the battery. I bought a battery after work today. So I opened the trunk lid, and to do that, the car was completely flat, so it did not have any power, so I cannot even open the boot lid. So I now have jumper cables on the Skyline, didn't even have to start it, and then it worked. So now the boot lid is open, as you can see right here. Finally, so now we can get to the battery. I will just have to disconnect the cables for the Skyline so that does not drain. Okay, so here we have the new battery. I bought 80Ah 12 volts. So yeah, let's take it off and get out the old battery and get the new battery in the car. Okay, now the new battery is in there. I realized that my old battery is actually 105 and not 80. Well, now let's see if the car starts and simply take it from there. And yeah, hopefully it starts so I can move the car around in the driveway. And yeah. Oh yeah, we have power. Oh yeah. It starts, no problem. I'm just gonna let it idle for a bit and connect all the covers in the back, and then I will move some cars around in the driveway, and I will say I'm happy. That's really good. Oh yeah, now my license plate light is lighting up just the way it's supposed to do. So it all was a bad battery. Now it's a good fresh battery, and it is good. So now we cleaned up a bit. We got the Skyline in the garage. We got the trailer over there, so I'll park the E39 right here. I had the E91 right there, so it's pretty good. So good with a bigger driveway now that I have a parking space right there, and there where the trailer is. Before we didn't have anything right here. So yeah, let's park up the E39, and yeah, I'm quite happy. A new battery, it's out. I have revived it from the dead, so yeah, I am really happy about that. So good to use this car again. Okay, now it's all parked up and ready to be worked on whenever I have the time, and now it has a good battery so I can start it up and take it for some test drives if I need to do that. But yeah, anyways, tell me what you want to see more, what kind of content you want to see with my E39 and perhaps also my E91. But yeah, it is getting a little bit difficult to film videos these days because it's seriously dark the time I get home from work, so that's no good. But anyways, we will make it work and make the best out of it, and I'm really excited for winter with this thing, or a new car, I don't know, but we will have to fix that before I do anything else. If I'm going to keep it or sell it, I don't know, but it needs some fixing either way. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.